All right. All right, we're at Denny's and we just got the new Hershey's Pancake Puppies. These look good. All right, here we go.
I'm gonna try the icing first.
All right.
No double dipping, that's weird, guys.
Get out of my way. They didn't even wait for me. That is good. That is a really strong Hershey's taste. But it's good. What do you think of it?
It tastes like chocolate cake to me.
Chocolate cake? That's pretty good. What do you
I'm gonna
think?
give it a 9.
A 9 out of 10? Yeah, I agree. It's pretty good.
Me too. Really.
Ah, it's falling apart.
If I could, I would really like
Yes, that's good.